Hi, this is Joe Whitchurch, and my videographer is Greg Cross today. This is an example of a whiteboard that we use on campus to talk to students and ask them for their views. How do you see it? And the three questions on here are related to afterlife: annihilation, reincarnation, or resurrection. And the students can make tally marks next to whatever their particular viewpoint is, or if they have a different view, they could write it on a blank line. But anyway, probably today you're wondering how you see things as well. Do you ever wonder how you see things? Oh, wait a minute, somebody is looking at me right now. It seems like they have something that they want to say. Do you have something that you would like to say? Well, I don't hear him talking. Do you hear any? I don't hear. Well, yeah, I do got something to say. Well, what is your view? Well, formerly it was annihilation, but now I seem to have a life. Well, we all need to get a life, and I think you should take your life away. Okay, back to how you view your view. Is that crazy or what? This is just too much fun. That's it.